Yeah, I have a backup, my mother.
Oh,
So
okay.
I probably end up doing her anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want to do it?
Are you videotaping?
You don't have to do that. Thank you, though.
You know what? I think he's out back.
Uh-huh.
Did you poke your hand through?
That's a good one. Just go ahead and leave that on. Put your gloves on.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and then clean. Hasn't been on that long. Does it feel okay?
Hmm? Oh,
I like your shoes.
thanks.
What? Is that a clown? You can't clown around your drawing.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not clowning. I thought that was funny. Okay. That's it.
أخي.
That's a good one. I can see it from here. It's a big one.
ما شاء الله. Whoa. That's a good one.
Can you see it too?
I'm gonna bring him next week.
So I can see in the mirror.
Little mashallah.
He's gonna let you know what's hanging down.
Take your time. Put your gloves on.
Gloves are, they're stuck.
Okay.
Because
This
it's
guy doesn't even know how to
hot.
put the gloves on.
Well, listen, next time we'll use the clear one. So for now, just finish with the, I think you'll be all right. Really? Yeah. Is that dry?
يلا هاليوم.
لحظة, you gotta wait till it's dry. You ready-ish?
His hand's about to fall asleep and he's telling me when you're ready.
That blood is typical. You got blood before you got blood. Still, take a tube out. Still, I can count it. Take it out. No, because it didn't come all the way out. It was hissing, but it didn't come out.
Did you put pressure on it?
Almost.
Hear it.
No, it was successful. If you'd have took it out anymore, it was hissing because it started to come out, but it didn't come all the way out.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks. You can give it that.
Where the hell did Josh go? I don't know. You snooze, you lose.
Where's the tape? Oh, here it is. Never mind.
Right in front of you.
You talking about Josh, the short, little chubby?
Blonde-haired guy?
No.
Yeah, they just walked in. He's just in the bar this time.
Oh, okay.
He
He's
said
kind of got a messed up arm.
Thank you very much for your time.
How many draws do you have?
8.
Almost there?
Yeah.
Thank you,
You want
sir.
to do one more?
I can't.
Oh, you can do two?
Yes, yes. You gonna come back and watch tomorrow?